Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the Blizzard Fruits showcase. So let's get on to it. First of all, the Z move.